Thank you for your interest in www.freecellphoneandservice.com. Times are tough, and 100% free stuff paid for by the government can help. You can get a free cell phone and free monthly service. You can also opt in to get free MiFi device and free monthly service, and even a tablet for as little as a one-time $10.01. So many people qualify for these items, and it just takes a couple of minutes to see if you do as well. Please visit www.freecellphoneandservice.com or simply click the link in the description below this video. To ensure that you get these items for free, please put in your email address and your zip code immediately upon visiting the website, or you will risk losing your free item eligibility. I will see you on the inside.